yasuru nyankopon dida odum yempi shayen soda maboni bientu mi yesumuna sumuna yesoneni ape.
On behalf of the church, we want to say a big thank you to the management for all that you are doing to help nurture young ones to also go out there to train others. By God's grace, 5 PhD holders is not just a main achievement. And so we want to congratulate you and your staff for the good work that you are doing.
I led the delegation on behalf of the 25th General Assembly to officially inform the 𝐵𝐸𝐶𝐶 or 𝐵𝐸𝐶 College of Education of our presence at the Rock City and to formally invite them to the program. We were happy to be here because they told us that 5 of their staff have attained PhD and a lot of them are also upgrading. They also told us about the performance of the students, that in last year's graduation, about 76 of them had first class, and which we believe is commendable. So we encourage them and ask them to motivate their children to do better. We also believe that with a little help, they will be able to do more. And in our discussion, it came out. They asked us a question why we allow non-Presbyterians to head our schools. And we told them that it's a decision or it's something that we are still considering. And that soon and very soon, we will get there. And we also told them that there are some Presbyterians who qualify to be heads, but they are not ready to do it. So we told them that even as the students are here, they should sack them. They should sensitize them and know that if they are Presbyterians, they should be prepared to head our schools so that the Presbyterian discipline will come back to our schools.
This afternoon, we received a 6-member delegation from the General Assembly Council to pay a visit to the college. This is related to the annual General Assembly that is taking place at 𝐾𝐬𝐴. We must say we are very, very happy and privileged to receive the team. This shows how much the church is concerned about her institutions. To delegate people to come down to see how the college is faring so that we can discuss a couple of issues with our church. And so we are happy to have them with us here this afternoon. We have discussed a couple of things. We have given them an update on what is happening in the college. They have prayed for us. They have wished us well. And so we know that that collaboration between the church and her institutions will continue to forge on to the glory of God. So as a college, we are making all efforts to make sure that we are working in tangent with the qualifications and the demands of our new status as a college. So currently, by the grace of God, we have graduated 5 PhD holders to beef up the strength of our teaching staff as we have now moved to the traditional university status. We are doing all we can to support others to also top up and then meet the minimum requirements. We are also working on our students' performance, and by the grace of God, the last batch, which happens to be the 3rd batch of our 4-year B.Ed program, we graduated 76 first-class graduates. And it tells the effort and the work we are making as an institution to ensure that we are preparing the qualified teachers we need for the teaching field as an institution.
Oh, yeah.